Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for February 8, 2021. The overall market is still very bullish. First of all, look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So this sector is still trying to get stuck at the double top here, but the momentum is still upside. Let's see tomorrow we'll be able to punch to it, continue to go higher. But look at the Russell 2000, the small cap stock, they're doing very well. They make an all-time high and continue to put it to the upside. As long as the trend is still up, we'll stick with the upside. Technology stock is still doing well. They also put it to make an all-time high. And the SP 500 it also make an all-time high. So as long as the trend is still bullish, we continue to stick with the upside. So until they change direction, that's why we will let you know. Okay, so a lot of stuff that we analyze for you on weekly market forecast, the sector XLRE, that the real estate builder is doing very well. As you can see here, they continue to go up north. A lot of stock in this sector, like Toll Brother, it continue to push it back up today. And BH, okay, also try to turn around very strong. And MHO is also doing extremely well, and the biosector is still doing very well. This is a high demand sector. You see a lot of stuff in this sector. They continue to push it back to the upside, like this one. Okay, GS, the one we analyzed on the weekend. This one, another one, and mRNA. This vaccine it seems like it's more powerful compared to Pfizer or AZN. So as you can see, that look at the chart, it's still very high demand and very strong to the upside. And if you look at the XLF, the financial sector, it also tries to put it back up to the upside. A lot of stuff in this sector is moving well, like Bank America, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, okay, YETI, that's another moving up. And the emerging market, like I told you on the weekend, it will continue to the upside. A lot of stuff in this sector, like IAC, okay, that Indian holding operation, they're doing very well. And MCHI, that's a China holding, also doing well. And the XLE, the energy sector, is also trying to put it back to the upside. A lot of good stuff in this sector, like ExxonMobil, OXY, you can see that they all put it back up, VLO, okay, they all break out and continue to the upside. And the SLC, that communication service sector, this sector, they have a lot of big cap stock, but they don't move much. So it seems like the institution, they try to lift up the small cap stock, to catch up with the big cap stock. So that's why you see a lot of small cap stock, they doing well in this sector compared to the big guys like Amazon, Apple. So you can see some of them that we highlight on the weekend. iBuy still doing well, right? And Google, another still strong for the big cap. Google is very strong. Okay, so if you are in our live trading room today, so the market in the morning when the market open, it's a little bit choppy, but we know that the trend is still up, so we tip it uptrend, so we ride them up, 7 point up, 7 point down, every point move is $50. So it's a little bit choppy on the first 2 hours there. So when I get out, I take from the live trading room, take a quick short, long. So the total net profit for today is $1,050, and we done for the day. And market is ripping down after they break out here. But after that, at the end of the day, they run up in the last 1 hour. They shoot up from the bottom to the top. Even the market low, they do run up like crazy. Okay, so overall, the trend is still bullish. The buyer is still there. So as long as the market is still bullish, we will stick with the uptrend. You also see that since we analyze the Bitcoin, Bitcoin tried to get up and finish this move here and continue for the next move to the upside. Okay, Ethereum is also very strong to the upside. So those of you who have Bitcoin, so you enjoy your final move here to the upside before they have some correction. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to understand the chart, how to calculate to see where the destination they're heading to, Okay, when they pull back, you know where they're going to stop, so that you can have a better probability to get in with the high risk, low reward trade. All right, and you can check our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. And for those of you who are busy, you can check out our premium watch list. That's why we handpick and analyze a lot of good stock with a entry, stop loss, and target. Okay, so that's all I have for you today, and we stick with the trend until it change. Thank you very much, and we'll see you the next day. Take care, everyone.